First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this video number 2 on the preparation of SSC 2022 exam, so now we are going to solve the second set of percentage question. So already we have solved the first video, that is percentage, totally 10 question. So here starting from question number 11, we are going to solve another 10 to 15 question in this video, right? So listen here, always remember that every time while solving a percentage question here, so first you guys need to learn the basics, what I have told you in the previous video, right? So there are 6 videos I have posted on my YouTube channel. So try to learn the basics initially and then start solving this question. Definitely you can able to solve 100% of the questions in your exams, right? So basics is important. So second thing is, if it is a percentage topic, there are 3 important formula. One is x is what percentage of y, and the second formula is x is what percentage more or less than y, and the third formula will be percentage change. So that third formula alone, they can also call it that percentage change as net change. Both are same formula, right? Either it can be a percentage change or it can be a net change. Whatever be, the formula will be same. Got it, friends? So now let me move on to question number 11 here. So the ratio of number of boys to the girls in a school is 4:1. If 75% of boys and 70% of the girls are scholarship holders, then the percentage of students who do not get scholarship. So when just see here, they have given the total number of boys and girls in terms of ratios, right? So boys is to girls, a ratio has been given, that is in the term of 4:1. And now what they are saying is, they have given out of boys this much of percentage who got scholarship, right? Just see, 75% of boys who got scholarship. So similarly, how much girls here? 70% of the girls who got scholarship. But our target is to find the total number of percentage of students who does not get a scholarship. The values they have given is for scholarship, but we need to find the students who does not get the scholarship. Got it? So just see here, first we can take this ratio value, 4:1 ratio. So what we can do is, we can assume some numbers here. We can take boys as 400 and the girls as 100. Yes or no? Because they are in the terms of ratio 4:1. So we can assume that 400 will be the boys and 100 will be the girls. So here, just listen carefully. Out of 400, right? Out of 400, how many boys got scholarship? 75%. So from 100%, the total number of boys, if 75% got scholarship, then the remaining 25%, the boys who does not got a scholarship. So from the boys 400, let me find what is 25%. That is 25 by 100. Got it or not? So similarly, girls. So girls is how much? 100. So out of 100 girls, 70% of the girls got scholarship. So from 100%, if you subtract 70, so resultant will be 30. So 30% of the girls who do not got scholarship. So first let me find the total number of students who does not got a scholarship, right? So we can cancel 0, 0 here. Similarly, cancel 0, 0 here. So 25 into 4 will be 100. So plus. So similarly here too, we can cancel 0 and 0. So 30 into 1 will be 30. So resultant will be 130. So 130 is what? 130 will be the total number of students, not only boys or not only girls, total number of students, right? So total number of students who does not got scholarship. But listen here, this is not your final answer. Why? Because they are asking, right, the percentage. They're asking in terms of percentage. So percentage of students who does not got scholarship. We know that the total number of students who does not got scholarship is 120. So out of how many students in a total strength of the classroom, right? 400 boys and 100 girls. So total will be 500. So friends, understood how I am writing? So out of this total 500 strength of the class, 130 students who does not got a scholarship, and our target is to find in terms of percentage. So into 100. So in the previous video, I have told this. Whatever value we need to convert into a percentage, we need to multiply by 100. Never forget that. So we can cancel 0, 0 here, 0, 0 here. So this becomes 2 and 26. So resultant answer will be 26%. So final answer will be the 26% of students who does not got a scholarship. Friends, understood or not? So very simple, I didn't use any shortcut. Normal traditional method itself seems to be easy. So in order to understand it clearly, I'm writing all those steps here, but in the exams kindly don't write all those steps in the paper. It is waste of time. From this, try to write this step, right? After writing this step, 4:1 ratio, so try to write this and try to write this. The complete question will be easy. You can crack within 30 seconds. So friends, got it? So the values they have given is for scholarship students. Our target is to find students who does not got the scholarship. So from the total 100%, we have subtracted the scholarship percentage, that is 75. So resultant will be 25, resultant will be 30. So final 130 students who does not got a scholarship. So out of total 500 students, if 130 students who does not got a scholarship, so we need to find a percentage. So into 100, resultant will be 26%. Question number 12. A candidate who gets 20% mark in the examination and failed by 30 marks. But another candidate who gets 32% mark and he got 42 marks more than the pass mark. So then the percentage of pass mark is. So friends, what is the target? Our target is to find what is the percentage of pass mark. Right? So after reading this question, we can definitely say that this question that is based on a concept called percentage, that is based on marks. Right? If you learn that basic videos properly, then definitely you can use the shortcut here and you can crack the question easily. Right? So first what we can do here is, let me keep the total, right? Total mark of the examination as 100%. Right? So out of 100%, we don't know what is the pass percentage. Right? Some percentage will be the pass percentage. So now the first candidate, he got failed, right? Because first candidate got 20%. Just listen here. First candidate got 20% and he failed by how much mark? He failed by 30 marks. So similarly, the second candidate got cleared the exam by getting how much percentage? He got 32% and he cleared the exam. But he got how much more than the pass mark? Just see, 42 marks more than the pass mark. So our target is to find what will be the pass percentage. So you know the shortcut, right? Just listen here. From the pass percentage, 20% mark will be the fail mark, right? He got failed. If he secured 30 marks more, then he could have cleared the exam. So similarly, the second candidate secured 32% and he got 42 marks more than the pass mark. So first what you need to do is, you need to find the difference in the percentage. So 20%, 32%, what will be the difference here? 12% difference. So similarly, he got 20% and he failed by 30 marks. So similarly, he got 32 but he got 42 more. So the difference between 30 and 42 will be 72 marks. Don't write it as 12 here. Most of the students will make a mistake. Don't write that mark, because from this pass mark here it is 30. So from this pass mark here it is 42. So the total difference of 42 and 32 will be 72 marks difference, right? But the percentage here from 120, from 132, so difference will be 12%. Got it? So now let me find what is the total marks in the examination is equal to x. So x is equal to 72 into 100. So divided by 12, 6 times. So x is equal to 600. So which means the total number of mark in the examination is how much? 600. So we have found the total mark of the examination will be 600. But our target is to find what is the pass percentage here. First let me find what is the pass mark. Just see here. So first let me find what is the pass mark. So just see here. First let me take any one candidate, first candidate, right? So first candidate secured 20% mark. So out of 600, right, let me find what is 20%. Right, 20% will be how much? 0, 0, 0, 0 here. So 120. He got 120. If he got 30 marks more, then he could have cleared the exam. So add 30 here. So resultant will be 150. So finally we can say that 150 mark will be the pass mark. Got it or not? Right? So he secured 20%, that is 120. So if he scored 30 marks more, then he could have cleared the exam. So we have added 30 here. So resultant will be 150. So we can say that 150 will be the pass mark. So now our target is to not find the pass mark here. Our target is to find the pass mark percentage. So pass mark is 150. Out of total mark how much? Out of total mark 600. Pass mark will be 150. So we need to find in terms of percentage. So into 100. 0, 0 here. So 6 2s are 12. So remaining will be 3, 6 5s are 30. So 25%. Got it? So 25% will be the pass percentage of this question. Understood or not, friends? So very simple and very easy to solve. Only you need to understand this basic concept, right? If you can't able to understand this, kindly learn my basic percentage tutorial videos. So if you watch all the 6 videos, then definitely you can able to understand this how I wrote it. Right? So answer for question number 12 will be 25% will be the pass percentage. Question number 13. So in an examination, there were 640 boys and 360 girls. So 60% of the boys and 80% of the girls were successful. The percentage of failure was. So just see, friends, this question is also similar to question number 11, I think so. First question what we solved. In the first question, similarly, they have given all the percentage value for the scholarship person. Our target is to find the total number of students who does not got a scholarship. What we solved in question number 11. So similarly, in question number 13, you can able to see in an examination, there were 640 boys. Direct value has been given. So 640 will be the total number of boys and 360 will be the total number of girls. So out of this 640 boys, how much percentage of boys had successful? 60%, right? If 60% boys are successful, then remaining 40, right? Because 100 minus 60 will be 40. So 40% of the boys will be unsuccessful. So similarly, out of 360 girls, 80% of the girls are successful. So 100% minus 80 will be 20. So 20% will be unsuccessful. So first let me find the total number of students who are unsuccessful here, right? So let me find what is 40%. So 640 plus 40%, that is 40 by 100. So similarly 360 into 20%. 0 0 0 0 here, which is 72. So similarly cancel 0 0 0 0 here, 16 1 256. So 256 will be the total number of boys who are unsuccessful. So similarly 72 will be the total number of girls who are unsuccessful. So let me add all the values. So 6 plus this will be 8. So 7 plus 5 will be 12 here. So remaining will be 328. So 328 will be the total number of students, which includes boys and girls both, who are unsuccessful. But our target is to find what the percentage of failure was, right, with unsuccessful students in terms of percentage. So 328 will be the total number of students who are failed divided by the total number of students. So total number of students is how much? So 640 plus 360. So this becomes 301. I think it's 1000, right? So 1000 will be the total number of students. So we need to find the value in terms of percentage. So multiply by 100. 0 0 0 0 here. 328 by 10 can be written as 32.8%. That's it. So 32.8% will be the total number of failure students in this examination. Got it? So very interesting. So you need to remember this one simple important concept here, right? If they have given the total number of pass students or total number of successful students, then what you need to do? From 100%, you need to subtract that value. So resultant will be the unsuccessful student. So after finding the unsuccessful total number of students, so divide the value by the total students of the strength of the classroom. So if we need to find the value in terms of percentage, multiply by 100. That's it. You will get the resultant answer in terms of percentage. Question number 14. So in an examination, 34% failed in mathematics and 42% failed in English. If 20% failed in both the subjects, then the percentage of students who passed in the subject is. So friends, listen here, after reading this question, we can surely say that this question is based upon the percentage, that is based on marks, right? So marks is most important because many competitive exams, they have asked a question only from this percentage, that is based on examination marks, as well as voters, like candidate voters, etc. So if you learn that basics video, then you would have known that how to solve this question, right? Always 50% of that mark based question can be solved by using a set theory, because by drawing a diagram like this. I hope I have taught you here in the percentage topic. So by drawing this diagram, it is easy to solve the question. So let me take the total number of students who got failed in mathematics will be this circle. So similarly, so this will be the total number of students who failed in the English subject, right? So now according to the question in an examination where 20 percentage of the students who failed in both the subject, right? So this will be maths and this will be English. So the center area, right? So this center area will be both English and maths. So we can say that 20 percentage of the students who got failed in both English as well as maths. So second is, how much students have failed in mathematics? 34. So 34 percentage of students are failed in mathematics. We already written 20 here, right? So 34 minus 20 resultant will be 14. So 14 percentage of students who will failed only in mathematics. So if you add 14 and 34, right? So 34 will be the total number of students who failed in mathematics. So friends, understood? So similarly English, right? So how much percentage of English? 42. So 42 percentage of students who got failed in English. Already we have written 20 here. So remaining will be 22. So only then we can say 20 plus 22 will be 42. So the total circle for English. So English total number of students who got failed will be 42. So now our target is to find what? The total number of students who got cleared in both the subject. So let me add all the values, 3 value, and subtract with the total number of students, right? So first 100 percentage will be the total number of students, out of which students who failed in maths is 14, students who failed in both the subject is 20, students who failed in English will be 22. So first let me add all the values. So 100 percentage minus of, so this will be 42, so 52 and 56, so 56 percentage. So 100 minus 66 will be 44 percentage. So 44 percentage will be the total number of students who got cleared, because all the values we have written here is the students who got failed. So after subtracting with the total percentage with the failed percentage students, the resultant answer will be the total number of students who cleared in both the subjects. Got it? So this will be the answer for question number 14. Always remember that if you take a percentage topic, 2 concepts are important. One is that is based on marks, right? Second is that is based on votes. So these 2 are most important, not only for SSC, even if you are preparing for railway exams, whatever be, definitely these 2 concepts in the topic percentage is most important. So question number 15. So Ram spends 40% of his salary on food, so 20% on house rent and 10% on entertainment and 10% on education. So if his savings at the end of the month are 1500, then his salary per month is. So friends, listen here, it's one of the most basic question on the topic percentage. So they will give you the savings amount and our target is to find what is the expenditure, or else they will give you all the percentage. Our target is to find what is the person's salary. So similarly, they can ask all the different sort of question that is based on this monthly salary, etc. And this is the basic of percentage, right? You have to know how to solve these kinds of basic question. It's very simple to just see here. Let me take 100% will be the person monthly salary, right? Ram monthly salary. Let me keep it as 100%. So from this 100%, because we don't know what is the exact salary amount he is getting, so we can assume it as 100%. So from 100%, just subtract the percentage value, what all he is spending. Just see, 40% of the salary is spent for food. So remaining 20% of the salary is spent for house rent, and another 10% is spent for entertainment, and another 10% is spent for education, some other purpose, right? So these are the amounts, right? 40, 20, 10, 10. So these percentage are the total amount that is spent. So finally, what is the savings he have in his hand, which is 1500. So now what we can do is, from the total salary, we can subtract all the values. So 20, 40 will be 60. So this will be 70 and this will be 80. So from 100% total salary, he spends 80% of the amount. So what is the remaining amount that he have in his hand is 20%. So 20% will be the remaining percentage, that is savings amount he have. So 20%, that is savings amount what we have is 1500. So now our target is to find what? Monthly salary. Monthly salary of the person what we kept here is 100%. So 100% is equal to X. So now cross multiply it. x is equal to 1500 into 100, so divided by 20. That's it. So we can cancel this on 5 times. So x is equal to 7500. So 7500 will be the monthly salary of the person. So friends, understood? Again, to solve these types of questions, kindly don't use any shortcut or nothing. A basic traditional method itself, it's enough for to solve all these types of question. You know, if you take a topic called percentage, this question is the basics, right? Finding the monthly salary, or finding the total amount that he spent, or by using the savings, we need to find what is the amount that he spends. So everything is important. If you practice 10 questions, it is more than enough to crack most of the question that is based on the topic percentage. So finally, answer for question number 15, where the salary of the person will be 7500. So question number 16. In an election between two candidates, 75% of the voters cast their votes. So out of which 2% votes are declared invalid, a candidate who got 9261 votes, which were 72% are valid votes. The total number of votes enrolled in the election was. So very interesting question and little bit difficult too, because only if you know the concept 100% you can able to solve this question, or else you cannot able to solve this question. And remember one thing, in a percentage topic, that is percentage based on marks, percentage based on elections are most important. Just now I have told you, right? So just see here, what we can do here is, I think I have solved the same question in my basic tutorial videos on my YouTube channel, but there I have solved in the normal traditional method. But here we can go with a little bit of shortcut so that you will feel easy, right? You can able to solve even the question is harder. You can easily solve this question. Just see here, first let me take the total number of voters in the election, right? So total number of voters elected for the election will be like what we can do, x, let me keep it as x, right? So this will be the total number of voters who enrolled for the election. So now what they are saying is 75% of the voters cast their votes. So out of total voters, 75% of the voters cast their votes. So out of that cast votes, where 2% of the votes were invalid. So leave all those points, right? Just see the second point. One candidate got 9261 votes, which were 72% of the valid votes. So what we can do here is, just see candidate 1. So one candidate got 9261 votes. So this 9261 vote is how much? 75% of the valid votes. So friends, understood this area or not, right? So candidate 1 who got 9261 vote, and this 9261 vote will be 75% of the total valid votes. So by using this data, it is easy to find. So 75% is equal to 9261. So what is 100%? So 100% is equal to x. So x will be, so 9261 into 100, so divided by 75. So x is equal to, so I think we can cancel it on 25 table. So 3 times, so this will be 4 times. So cancel it on 3 table. So 3 3s are 9. So 0, 8 3s are 24. So remaining will be 2, 7. So 7 4s are 28, 2, 34. So 3, so 12. 1 2 3 4 8. So 1 2 3 4 8 was what? So 1 2 3 4 8 will be the total valid votes. Understood or not? One candidate got 9261. So by using the data, we have found 12,348 will be the total number of valid votes. So we got this, but our target is to not to find this. Our target is to find the total number of voters enrolled in the election. That is, total number of voters is how much? Just listen here, listen here. This is the most important part. So let me take the total voters will be x, right? So out of this total voters, how many percentage of person who cast their vote? 75% of the voters cast their vote. So out of total number of candidates, only 75% of the voters who cast their vote. So out of this 75, 2% of the vote are invalid. So 98% will be valid. So which is a resultant will be the total valid votes 12,348. That's it, friends. So if you can able to understand this step how I wrote, then solving the complete question is easy. Just see here. So this will be the total number of voters in the election. out of this 75% cast their vote. So out of this cast vote, where 2% of the vote are invalid, so 98% of the votes are valid. So this complete part, left hand side part, will be the valid votes. So just now we have found the valid votes is how much? 12,348. So this complete valid votes is equals to 12,348. So if you find the value of X, so resultant will be the total voters enrolled in the election. Got it? So X is equal to 12,348. So into 100. So into 100. So divided by 75 into 98. Yes. So we can cancel again 25 times. So this becomes 3 times here. So we can cancel it on 3 table. So this becomes 4 3s are 12. So 1 3s are 3. So again 1 3s are 3. 6 3s are 18. So we can cancel it on 2 tables, which becomes 4 2s are 8, 49. So again we can cancel it on 49 table. So 16, 8 2s are 16 here, 13, 20. So X is equal to 168,000. That's it. So 16,800 will be the total vote enrolled in the election. So friends, understood the concept, right? So this is the normal way to solve this question. Again, it's the most important step, right? Only if you can able to understand this step, you can able to crack the question in your exams. Got it? Friends, understood, right? Initially, X will be the total number of voters. So out of the total number of voters, only 75% of the voters cast their vote. So out of this 75, 2% of the vote are invalid. So 100 minus 2 will be 98% are valid votes. So 98 by 100, you should not write it as 2 here, because our target is to find the valid votes. So here 2%, 100 minus 2 will be 98. So 98% will be the valid votes, is equals to 12,348. So finally we got the total number of voters who enrolled for the election will be 16,800. So question number 17. A district has 64,000 total population. So if the population increase at a rate of 1/2% per annum, so the number of total population at the end of 3 years will be. So it's an interesting question, because it's like based on the population percentage, that is based on population increase as well as population decrease. So for these kinds of question, I have told you one shortcut, right? There is a formula in compound interest. We can use that compound interest formula to find this answer, or else you can use the normal traditional method to solve this, or else we can use one shortcut, right? Either way, so you can able to solve this question. So now what I can do here is, I will solve this question by a normal method as well as by one simple shortcut to crack this question. Just see here, a normal method will be little bit lengthy process, but you will find the exact answer. Just see, 64,000 is what? The initial population, that is first year population. Yes. So out of this first year population, how much population percentage has been increased? To 1/2%. So which will be 5/2%, yes or no? So 5/200. So guys, understood how I wrote this? Just see, 2 1/2%, right? So 2 into 2 will be 4. So 4 plus 1 will be 2. So 5/2%. So in order to remove the percentage, divided by 100. So 5/200. Got it or not? So only I am writing as out of this 64,000. So the first year, the population increase will be 5/200. So first let me find the answer. 0 0. We can cancel 0 0 here. So cancel 1 times. This will be 32. That is 320. So 320 into 5. So 0. 5 into 2 will be 10. Sorry. Yes. So 0, 5 into 2 will be 10, remaining will be 1. So 5 into 3 will be 15. So 15 plus 1 will be 16. So 1600 will be the population increase in the first year. Already how many population people are there? 64,000. So out of this 64,000, in the first year, 1600 population has been increased. So 0, 0, 6, 5, 6. So 65,600 will be the first year population after 1/2% increase. Got it or not? So let me find for the second year. So this is the way you need to find for the further years, right? So 65,600. So out of this, how much population increase of 5/200? Again, it's a traditional method, a lengthy process. We can also solve this question by a shortcut. Just see, 0, 0, we can cancel it. Cancel by 2 table. So 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4, 1 time, 8 2s are 16. So 8 5s are 40. So remaining will be 4. So 10 plus 4 will be 14, remaining will be 1, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 will be 16. So 1640. Already how much population are there? 65,600. So 1640. So let me add this 0. So this will be 4, 12, 1, 5, 6, 7, 67. So 67,240 will be the second year population. So again for the third year, because our target is to find after 3 years what will be the total population. So 67,240. So into 5 by 200. So cancel, we can directly cancel this 40 times here, cancel 0 and 0. So cancel it on 4 table. So 1 4s are 4, remaining will be 2, 6 4s are 24, so remaining will be 3, 8 4s are 32, 1. So 1681, so 67,240, so into 1681. Right, so when you add this 1, 8 plus 4, 12, 1, 6, 3, 9, so this will be 8, 68,921. So 68,921 will be the total number of population after 3 years. Got it? Seriously, it's a lengthy process, right? It might take you more than a minute. So initially, while practicing, you can practice like this so that you can be strong on the basics. But if you need some shortcut, you can use this simple shortcut to solve. Just see how much before applying this shortcut you need to, in the exams I'm saying, before applying this shortcut in the exam, at least while practicing you have to practice 10 to 20 questions, right? Just see how much percentage increase? 2 1 by 2 percentage increase, right? So 2 into 2 will be 4, so 4 plus 1 will be 5. So 5 by 2 percentage increase every year. So 5 by 2 percentage can be written as 5 by 200. So cancel it on 5, resultant will be 1 by 40. Just listen carefully. Every year, out of total population 40, one part has been increased. Understood or not? How I am saying? Just listen here. Out of 40, that is total population, for every 1 year, one part has been increased. So for 3 years, right, one part increased, which is 41 part. Understood or not? So 40 part will be the total. So for every 1 year, one part is getting increased because of this 2 1 by 2 percentage. One part is increased. So 41 plus 40 plus 1 will be 41. So first year 41 percentage, second year 41, third year 41. So if you multiply 41, 41, 41, again the resultant answer will be 68921. You can check it again, you will definitely get this answer. So when understood or not, right? If 1 by 40 parts, right, what they are saying is this 5 to 1 by 2 percentage increase, which is one part of, out of total, one part has been increased. So out of 40, if one part has been increased, we can consider as 41. So 41 will be the first year final population. So 41, 41, 41. So 3 times 68,921. So this will be the answer for this question. Either way, or else you can, even if you feel this method is difficult or this method is difficult, there is a formula in the compound interest, what I have taught you in my percentage basics. Apply that formula directly, you will get the answer. So either way you can solve this question, but most important question, because percentage populations are most important. So question number 18. So if the monthly salary of the employee is increased by 2 by 3 percentage and he gets 72 rupees more, so his monthly salary is. So when just see here, if you understand this question, even pen and paper is not required. It's very simple. Why? Because a month, our target is to find what is the monthly salary of the person. So monthly salary of the person is unknown. So let me keep it as X or 100%. So 100% will be the monthly salary of the person, right? Either way. So now 2 by 3 percentage employee salary has been increased. So percentage increase has also be given, and similarly the rupees increase is also be given. Just see 2 by 3 percentage increased, and because of that increase where he got 72 rupees more. So 2 by 3 percentage is how much? 3 2s are 6, 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 percentage salary increment is there. So this 8 by 3 increment, because of this increment he got 72 rupees more. So which means the increment amount will be 72 and the increment percentage will be 8 by 3. So resultant will be 8 by 3 percentage is equal to 72. So now our target is to find what the monthly salary of the person. So which is 100% equal to X. Got it? So now let me cross multiply it. So 8 by 3 into X is equal to 72 into 100. So X is equal to 72 into 100 into 3. So divided by 8. So resultant will be, we can cancel this becomes 9 8s are 72, so 9 3s are 27, so x is equal to 2700. So 2700 is what? So 2700 will be the monthly salary of the person. So it's understood or not? Very simple question. This is the important step here, right? If they have given 8/3 percentage salary increment and 72 rupees more, so only because of this increment he is getting 72 rupees more. So we can say that this will be the percentage increment is equal to the rupee increment. So 8/3 percentage is equal to 72. Then we kept the salary as 100 percentage, so 100% equal to x. So resultant will be the total salary of the person, which is 2700. So question number 19. So if the total monthly income of 16% is 80,800 and the income of one of them is 120% of the average income, then the income is. So listen here, our target is to find that one person who is getting 120% of the average income. So our target is to find what is the salary income of that person, right? So first we know the total 16% salary. So first what we can do is we can find the average salary of one person, because 80,800 will be the total salary for how much? 16 people. So if you divide this salary by 16%, so what we can do here is 5 times 0.5, so 5050. So 5050 is what? The average income of the person, the salary of the one person. So now what they have said is, one of the person, 120% of average income is the salary, right? So average salary will be 5050. Out of this, one person income will be 120%. So 120% is 120 by 100, cancel 00. So cancel 00 here. So 505 into 12. So 505 into 12, let me multiply 500 into 10 will be 5050. So 500 into 2. So 10, remaining will be 1. So 1010, right? So add this, resultant will be 6060. So this will be the income of that person who got 120% from the average income. So that's the person who got the income as 6060. That's it, right? It's simple to solve, but you need to understand that logic, right? If total salary has been given and the total employee is also given, then first you need to find the average by dividing the total salary with the total number of employee. So you can able to find the average income of the person. So now according to the question, one person is getting 120%. So 5050 of 120%. So resultant will be that one person income will be 6060. Got it? So can you able to understand this area, how I calculated it, right? Some students will go with this method, 505 into 12. Right, it's one method of multiplying, or else what I did here is I have just taken the 12 as 10 plus 2. Got it? So 5050 into 10 will be 5050. Got it? 505 into 2 will be 1010. So 6060. Right. So this is the way I have calculated here. If you wish, you can go with this method, or else this will be easy. You can just like that go with some mind calculations, right? So answer for question number 19 will be 6060. So here is the last 20th question. A spider climbed 62 1/2% of the height of the pole in 1 hour. And in the next hour, it covered 12 1/2% of the remaining height. So if the pole height is 192 meter, then the distance climbed in the second hour is. So our target is to find what is the distance that climbed in the second hour by the spider. Got it? So it's very interesting question. You know, these are the question will be mostly asked in railway exams, or else if you are preparing for a college student campus interview exams, most of the thing they have asked this question. And this question is from the topic called heights and distance. There is a topic in measurements, heights and distance. There you can able to see many questions based upon this concept. I think because of some percentage value they have asked in this area. Okay, so let it be. For what is the total height of that pole? So total height of that pole is 192 meter. Just see here, it's very easy question, you know. Let me take it as a pole, right, a stick. So the total height is how much? 192 meter. And initially in the first hour, where the spider climbs how much percentage? 62 1/2%. So first let me find in the first hour how much meter the spider climbs initially. So 62 1/2%. So this can be written as 62 into 2 will be 124, 125, right? 125, so divided by, we can cancel this 200. So cancel it on 25 table, so this becomes 5 times. So cancel it on 25 table, this becomes 8 times. So 5 by 8 part, right? So this is the part that where the spider climbs in 1 hour. So what is the total number of height of the pole is 192. So out of this 192, in the first hour, 5 by 8 part has been covered. So what is 5 by 8 part? So this becomes 8 2s are 16. So remaining will be 332, 8 4s are 32. So when you 520 to 120. So 120 meter. In the first hour, right, from this point where the spider has covered 120 meter. Then what about the remaining meter? The total is 190. So out of 192, if you subtract 120, the resultant will be 72 meter is the remaining distance. So out of this remaining 72 meter, right, in the second hour where it covers 12 1 by 2 percentage. So what is 12 1 by 2 percentage? Find that. So 72 into 12, 24. So 24 plus 1 will be 25 by 2. So if you 12 into 2 will be 24. So 24 plus 1 will be 25. So 25 by 2 percentage, which is 200. So cancel this. So this becomes 8 times. So cancel this 9 meter. So in the second hour where the spider would have covered 9 meter. So this will be the answer for the question. So once understood or not? So initially first hour is 120 meter. So we have subtracted that 120 from 192. So resultant will be the remaining meter is 72. So 72 meter remaining distance, and in the second hour the spider percentage will be 12 1 by 2 percentage. So 12 1 by 2, which is 25 by 200. So resultant will be 1 by 8 part is covered. So out of 72 into 1 by 8 will be 9 meter. So we can say that the answer for this question is 9 meter, where the distance covered by the spider in the second hour. So when that's it, it's a simple question. So you can solve this question by using different logics. Which method suits for you, you can able to solve it. But it's very interesting, right? You need to solve these types of questions before going for all the competitive exams. So friends, that's it about this video. So we have solved another 10 questions from the topic percentage, and these are the questions are previously asked in SSC exams. So if you keep on solving like this, then definitely you to practice similarly. So if you practice more and more number of questions, definitely you can able to crack in your exams. So thank you so much for watching this video. So if you really like it, share this video to your friends, those who are preparing for SSC exams. So thank you so much. Bye.